Hello, parents and students. Welcome to the Endeavors team. My name is Mr. Sybers. I'm your history teacher.
Hello, my name is Mrs. Parknowitz and I teach English.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Campbell, and I teach 8th grade science.
Hi, I'm Miss Delauri and I teach math.
So the first thing that we wanted to share with you as a team is about communication. It is really important that you make sure that your email address and phone number are correct in Synergy. We usually communicate with you guys via email and by phone call. So having your contact information correct in Synergy is really important. I would say every time we send out mass email communication through Synergy, which is the way we generally send out important information for everyone, we'll get maybe between 5 and 10% of our emails come back to us. So please make sure that you have an accurate email address and phone number. From time to time, things happen where either we'll want to have a conference with you or you'll want to have a conference with us. If that happens, or when that happens, please contact Mr. Sybers. You can just send him an email, or you can, by all means, call the school and talk to any of us. But we would be happy to meet with you via Google Meet or in person, or over the phone, of course. I believe with the way things are with COVID this year, they prefer us to meet over the phone or over Google Meet. But if it's something where we absolutely have to meet in person, then we can.
Chromebooks were distributed during the first week of school, September 7th through the 10th. Our team is a red zone. This means that cell phones and other devices should be put away at all times.
This year, the Endeavors team has set up conference seats in our classrooms. These seats are not punitive. They are intended to provide students with a safe place in the classroom to meet with their teacher and have a private conversation. Students may initiate a conference with a teacher by moving to one of the seats on their own, or a teacher may ask a student to move to one of the seats so that the student has an opportunity to reflect on and discuss possible issues.
8th grade SOL testing will take place in March for the writing test. It's a 2-part test. And in May for reading, math, and science. Science covers materials from 6th, 7th, and 8th grade.
I'm sure there are lots of people with questions. We are going to be hosting a Q&A session, one evening session on Tuesday, September 14th from 7 to 7:30 p.m., and a daytime session on Thursday, September 16th from 9:30 to 10 a.m.
Hi, I'm Miss Delauri. I teach Math 8 and Algebra 1. I'm extremely excited to work with your child this year. Please make sure that your phone number and email address are updated in Synergy so that I can get in touch with you when needed. Math 8 students will concentrate on equations, geometric shapes, transformations, consumer math, and many other topics that get them ready for Algebra 1 next year. Algebra 1 students will concentrate on topics such as equations of lines, polynomials, systems of equations and inequalities, functions, and literal equations. Algebra is a credit-bearing class, so the grade at the end of the class goes with your child to high school. Algebra students will take a midterm and final exam to mimic the high school. All classes will be using the online Virginia Desmos calculator in class and for the SOL test. The calculator is embedded in all Schoology lessons. I will have after-school virtual help sessions for both Math 8 and Algebra 1. These days and times will be posted in your child's Schoology folder. I am looking forward to a great year. Do not hesitate to email me with your concerns or questions. I look forward to seeing you at our question and answer session.
Hello again, my name is Mrs. Parknowitz and I teach English 8. This year, 8th grade English is going to be pretty similar to what the kids have seen in past years. You can expect to have them reading and writing both. We read novels. I want them to be constantly reading. That's the best way to improve their reading skill as well as their vocabulary. We will be reading nonfiction and fiction passages, paired texts in class, which paired passages is just when they're reading something that's fiction and nonfiction that go together. And we'll ask them questions about both. Those are commonly seen on the SOL test for them, and they should be familiar with it. We heavily focus on writing in 8th grade because this is the first time our students take a writing test. They will have that in March, and since we want them to be prepared, you can definitely expect them to be working on a lot of grammar as well as composition of the essays. So I look forward to working with your students and getting to know them this year. If you ever have any questions or your students have any problems, please feel free to reach out to me. My email is on the screen, jackie.parknowitz@cpschools.com. Thank you, and I look forward to getting to know you.
Hello, Endeavors team. Again, my name is Mr. Sybers. I am your U.S. History 2 teacher. Just a brief amount of information about our class. In our class, we start right after the Civil War that you left off with in 7th grade. And then we start with Reconstruction. Then we go towards westward expansion, the Spanish-American War. We then get into immigration and industrialization, then World War I. Then we'll get into the 1920s and 1930s. Then we'll get into World War II. And then finally, we'll wrap up with our last 3 units, the Cold War, the Civil Rights Movement, and globalization. So that's just a little bit about our class. Our room number is room 306, right on the same hallway, right next door to your other teachers. And if you need me and you need to reach me at any point, just feel free to shoot me an email. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. My email is david.sybers@cpschools.com. I look forward to seeing as many of you as I can, not only on the first day of school, students, but also parents at our Q&A session. I'm excited for an awesome school year.
Endeavor families, it's Mrs. Campbell. In 8th grade science, it's all about physical science. So it's going to be your electricity, motion, chemistry, but that's not all. Because we have an SOL that covers 6th, 7th, and 8th grade material, we're going to go back and we're going to review what you learned in 6th grade with your earth science and the life sciences that you learned in 7th grade. Because it's science, we're going to be using a lot of technology. We have a new online textbook. We are also allowed to use labs again. We're very excited. So your students will be doing a lot of labs this year. Email is the best way to get a hold of me at molly.campbell@cpschools.com. If you do have any other questions, we have 2 Q&A sessions coming up, one daytime session and one evening session. Hope to see you there.